Welcome everybody, Team 7 on another adventure. We're back, headed to Universal Studios for got two haunted houses? Two haunted houses, the Tooth Fairy, and what's the other one? I know there's a Tooth Fairy one. No, I have no idea. You already know, I have no idea. We just do things. I don't plan anything out. Still no word on this little Universal store out here. I hear so many rumors about what this is gonna be. We'll see what happens. We kind of sort of got the crew with us. Kayla and Electra back there. Kayla hates these scary houses. It's gonna be fun.
She'll be sitting out.
She'll probably sit out. She probably won't go. So. Hopefully, since these aren't any kind of intellectual properties, right? This is Universal's intellectual property.
Yeah.
So hopefully they'll let us record inside the houses. We'll see. You're about to find out here in just a few moments. So if you're new here, just hit that subscribe button and join us. We're in. And also too, there's no virtual line for the haunted houses, right? Yeah, the scare houses. There's no line right now, and they said yesterday pretty much all day it was like a 5-minute wait. So on our way. We're gonna see if we can record. It's funny too, so early in the morning. It'll be so funny going there. It's not even 9 o'clock in the morning yet. It's like 8:50.
We're scared out already.
Yeah, exactly. Well, you know what? If you had to use the bathroom, this is a great way to help that along.
So I just got out of the haunted house.
The Bride of Frankenstein.
Oh my god, that was terrifying.
It was very clever.
It was, and the way that they had like the glass. It was really cool.
It had a plexiglass partition, but it didn't interfere with anything.
Exactly, it was so cool.
Everybody's behind plexiglass.
I got scared so many times, and Padre just kept laughing at me, and I felt so hurt. So I was like, "Wow, I'm scared, and you're just gonna laugh at me."
I feel like you're still shaking a little.
I am. That was crazy, and I hate that they look at me and they're like, "Oh, I'm gonna get her," and they actually get me. Like, no, it's not supposed to work like that. Oh, that was scary.
I'll tell you what, they could have pulled it off. I mean, I can understand the amount of crowd, but if they wanted to do a full-on Halloween Horror Nights, they probably could have pulled it off.
Yeah.
And the theming inside that haunted house and the
Whoa.
whole story it was telling about the Bride of Frankenstein was phenomenal. They did a great job.
Let's go get that other one.
Okay.
Are we going to do the other one?
Yeah.
Next. Kayla.
Oh yeah, unfortunately we cannot record inside. Womp, womp, womp. Off we go to the next one. What's the next one?
I don't know where you find out.
Oh, that's the Tooth Fairy thing. Revenge of the Tooth Fairy. That's the one I knew, and now I forgot.
Whoa.
Yeah.
All right, Kayla, we'll be right back.
We're going. It's going to be just like going to the dentist's office.
Good thing I don't have any little teeth anymore.
What happened?
I went on this and I saw baby teeth. I was terrified.
Yeah.
Okay,
so Revenge of the Tooth Fairy was way worse than the Bride of Frankenstein.
Scarier. It was better.
Huh?
It was better. There were more scares out of that one.
Yeah, all over the place. It started out kind of like with the, it looked like a book, like with all the cardboard stuff.
Like you were in a storybook.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it started off like a storybook with all these cardboard cutouts and props, and I was thinking, it looks cool, but how scary is it going to be? But man, once you got past the storytelling part, it was pretty awesome.
Yeah, the characters were much scarier than the ones we saw on Bride.
Yeah.
They were more gruesome.
Yeah.
You know, the characters.
So if you have any advice for the little children, what do you want to tell them?
Me?
Yeah. What do you want to tell them? What did you learn in there?
Give your teeth to the Tooth Fairy?
That's right.
Never keep your teeth.
That's right. Never tell the Tooth Fairy no, because they're going to come and get you. Let's either $5 or they're going to decapitate you. One or the other. Choice is yours. Currently waiting to get on ET. I don't remember the line being like this since 1989.
We have social distance. It's only like this social distancing.
So that means we're going back to the future.
That doesn't make any sense.
No?
No.
It made sense in my brain.
Whoa. Back to the Future just clicked away. Whoa.
What happened?
Like, before I heard Back to the Future, I was like, what direction is that? But now I know.
And I thought I was the only one in the house with smooth parts on my brain. Are you excited? No? Don't want to wait 60 minutes? We got to wait 60 minutes. Look at her. She was excited until she heard 60 minutes. Now look at her. Now she don't care about ET. She doesn't want to help an alien life form get home because she has to wait 60 minutes. Potentially.
Not fully. We don't know.
Imagine that. Imagine not saving a poor extraterrestrial being from saving his planet because you don't want to wait. I tell you.
This is the way you go in.
Is this the way we're going?
Because you don't remember to take your name. Yeah, and they put your name down on the card. What is wrong with you?
I sense a bit of sarcasm and hostility.
Golly. All up in my pores.
Ah.
Oh, that was a good one.
What's that? We're gonna do a classic ET POV.
The good thing about being in the front, you get to see E.T. pop his head up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, look at ET popped out. Can't.
I told you.
Hey, look at ET.
They're getting away. Unit 3, cut them off.
NASA.
Chief, they're coming at us.
That's your birthday.
Hold it right there. You're under. Whoa!
He's hiding again.
Got him. Bottom of the hill. All right, kids, into the road.
Whoa, watch it.
Hey, stop! They're getting away. Look, they're flying.
Look at E.T. We're ready to go to the green planet?
Go to Dickley. Hurry.
Welcome home.
Let go.
Saved our planet. Come celebrate with us.
Pandora.
Attention, please remain seated, keeping your hands and feet inside the ride vehicle.
So we have been unable to get on to see the Born Spectacular. Womp womp womp. It's just not meant for you to see it.
Not today, at least.
Not today, at least. Yeah.
It's alright.
Yeah. So they were having technical difficulties at 10 o'clock. What was it? 10:30, 11:15. Now next one's 12. So I don't think we're gonna wait around for it. We have like 140 reservations for Hagrid's. So I don't think we're gonna be in this park. Right? No, I don't think so. But if you've seen the show before, a lot of moving parts, so I can see how they're having technical difficulties with it. And also too, the Simpsons ride. They need to tear that down and make a roller coaster, right? Oh, this feels good. Woo. Back there, in the back. Caitlin, her anime. Look at you.
Really calling me out like that?
Look at the shirt you're wearing. Come on. Ooh. I don't have to call you out. Oh, look at this. Oh, excuse me.
I know.
Centipede. Man, that's awesome. All you can eat.
High five for the daddy.
I told you.
Ooh.
Told you it had anime stuff. Told you.
Honestly though, the chopper socks. Look at him. I don't know who this guy is.
It's Chopper. He's a doctor.
What's on his head?
It's a hat. It's a hat.
It's
There's
like
actually
duck
like
feet.
such a deep backstory about the hat. LOL.
See, I thought I was lying. Man,
It's antlers.
Yeah, he ate the human food.
that's a cool Demon Slayer shirt right there. Oh, look, the one you're wearing.
Yeah, this is literally what I'm wearing. These were all here when I bought this one.
Oh, okay.
See, this is the shirt I was telling you about.
Yee yee.
Comes this one is too though.
Yeah, that one's so cute.
Go on, Sarah.
Look, getting arrested.
Yeah.
So lazy. Look at this right here. Look at this backpack. Look like an old Atari. Okay, how much is that? $70. 70. It's actually a good backpack too. Branding on the side. Man, I like this. I like this bag. It's actually a good book bag too.
New York.
It's so embarrassing.
Is it embarrassing you? Ah, longing to stray. See, that's embarrassing. That was more embarrassing than I was singing.
No.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, so that's going to be it for today's little adventure here at Universal Studios. We got to do the two scare zones, or what do they call them? Scare houses, haunted houses. We got to do the two of them. They were cool. They were definitely worth it. Wish I had more, but man, they were definitely well themed. Born Spectacular, womp womp womp. We got to do E.T. and yeah. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, thank you very much. We greatly appreciate it. And until the next adventure, deuces.